total. If the bowlers can get firing and get some early wickets, this will be a difficult chase.
The captain's going to change things around in the field.
Yes! Great shot through the gap.
Good precision with the throw, back from the deep. Off the mark nicely. Good movement and communication straight away, and they get a couple.
Yep.
Well, that was a really solid shot.
We'll see the left armour from the Paddington end.
A few moves made in the field.
Paris from the Paddington end. Yes!
And they're away and nicely off the mark.
Yep! Massive edge! A couple on offer here. Let's see if they can get the ball up into the slot like before. So crucial to follow up that last delivery and keep the batter under pressure. Yes! Unplayable, no reward, flying to the boundary.
Didn't time it at all, but managed to get it away to the boundary.
Tried for something a bit different the last ball. The captain shouldn't mind that. If they get it right, they might just get the wicket. Yes! Well placed. Should get a single.
A little flick of the wrist to get it round the corner for an easy run. Bit of a change-up in the field now.
Drives and misses everything.
A bit of frustration after that shot. Went after it, but just couldn't lay a bat on it.
Yes! Ease through the field. There'll be runs here.
Decisive running might have got them two. Looking back at it, I'd say they'd have made it easily. So in the end, poor running.
Over. The sixers are 16 for none. Yep. They'll get at least one. There'll be one run here for them. Yep. Huge edge. Very quick out there, managing to stop it and preventing 4 runs. Time to keep the pressure on now. Great last ball to find the edge. It's just a case of finding the same spot. Yes! Perfectly timed.
Not needed. A poor line and length. Not much effort needed to hit that to the boundary.
Getting nicely settled at the crease now. would have been really happy with that last shot.
Yes!
Saw that early. No one's catching that. Great shot.
Full and good night. Just leant on that. Didn't have to do much and got 4.
Doesn't beat the infield.
Some adjustments to the field.
Wait.
End of the over, 10 runs coming from it. The Sixers are 26 for none.
Yes!
Sprayed that very wide. Hits the boundary rope. The keeper had no builder out there.
Got forward well and was able to drive the ball. A lovely shot and good running.
Wait!
Straight to the fielder.
A little late on that, no run scored.
Wait!
Got way too much bounce on that delivery.
They'll want to make use of the extra delivery.
Yes!
Effortless. A gift, really. Floated it up there and dealt with.
He was just a little bit too full and it was beautifully timed.
Yep!
Head over the ball. Great shot. That's racing away.
The fielder could only pick that up off the boundary rope. Punched that away through the covers with exquisite timing.
Wait!
Finds the fielder with that shot.
Not a great delivery, got it full and lucky not to be hit to the boundary.
Yep!
Thick edge.
A brilliant throw-in from the deep caps off what was a fabulous piece of fielding. I, for one, reckon that second run was on, but clearly the batters knew better.
Wow, that's missed the lot. End of the over. End of the restrictions. I'm sure there'll be some...
Yes!
Edged it.
Good throw from the deep, on target.
Brilliant bowling. Having got the edge the previous ball, they now know the areas they need to be hitting.
Yep!
Really good shot there.
Good running, just finding the gap, and that allows for rotation of the strike and keeps the pressure on the bowlers.
Wait!
Fantastic catch.
Well, the end of an entertaining performance with the bat. Certainly a good wicket to get. The runs were really starting to flow.
It's a long way to walk out here just to walk straight back. They'll just want to get this first one behind them and then push on.
Yes!
They've picked the gap. Perfect timing.
And with that, they're off the mark. Got their head right in line with the ball. A beautiful strike there down the ground.
End of the over. 11 runs coming from it. The Sixers are 56 for 1. Ellis, the pace bowler, coming into the attack.
The captain's going to change things around in the field.
Yes.
It mightn't get to the boundary, should at least get a couple.
Bowler.
Trouble. Oh, gone.
The trudge back to the pavilion. A disappointing display in the end for someone with such batting skills. This one goes down as a fail.
Beaten on the drive.
Tried to get the drive away, but timed it poorly. Lucky to survive.
Waiting.
Misses out there on the short and wide one.
A wonderful delivery to get the edge. You've got to keep hammering away at that spot time and again.
Wait.
Collects that one, simple as you like, inside the ring.
Right on the money there, making it difficult to get away.
Huge shout. The bowler seems very confident with that one.
Yep.
Good batting, get an opportunity to score and take it.
Keeper.
That shot allows them to get off the mark.
End of a really good over, taking a wicket and really slowing down the scoring rate. Misses everything.
I'd say it was the right shot to choose, but it was just timed badly. Just couldn't get the drive away.
Yep.
Nice shot, runs possible. Big shout.
Yep.
That's mistimed. It's gone high. Should be gone. Well taken. Had a lot of work to do and held on to a great catch.
A trudge back to the pavilion. A disappointing display in the end. For someone with such batting skills, this goes down as a fail.
Wait.
Couldn't get it through the field.
Short and wide, did well to get some bat on that.
Gee, they're bowling well at the moment. They complete another very good over.
Yeah.
There'll be runs here.
Immediately underway with some runs.
Yep.
Big edge.
Keeper. Yes.
Great shot. At least one on offer.
Keeper. Yeah. Yep.
Perfect technique and placement.
That went all the way up toward the grandstand for four, driven away nicely.
Don't need to do anything special. Line and length is the key.
Yep.
Got hold of it. A pretty good bouncer. Enough control to get it away.
Nothing really wrong with the delivery. Got onto the front foot and found the space to get that one to the boundary.
The Sixers weren't given much of an opportunity. A very tidy over. Good piece of fielding to stop some runs.
Yep.
That's off the middle of the bat.
Driven off the front foot. Fantastic cricket shot. Probably expected more there.
Yes. Keeper.
Got forward and was able to drive the ball. Lovely shot. Good running.
Yep.
Was that just a bit lazy with the running? Usually there'd be two there. Need to take a bit more initiative out there.
Hey!
Confident appeal. Could it be?
Hey!
Good work there on the boundary. 6 runs added there. The Sixers are 80 for 3. Ellis in the Paddington end. We've seen good control and spin from this bowler. Looking forward to seeing what they can... do here.
Wait.
Quick onto that in the infield.
Yep.
Ease through the field. There'll be runs here. There'll be 1 run here for them.
Decisive running might have gotten 2. Looking back at it... I'd say they'd have made it easily, so in the end, poor running.
Yes.
Bad decision-making, thrown it to the wrong end and let the chance go begging.
Waiting.
Can't get that outside the ring field.
Hit that well off the back foot, but couldn't beat the field.
Yeah.
Timed it nicely. They'll look for a couple, you'd think.
Good running, it needed...
Doesn't beat the infield. Huge appeal. Can't see why this would be overturned. Looks to have struck right in front.
How close is that? Could be the wicket. Nothing picked up from the bat. This could spell trouble. Pitching in line, just a case now on if it's hitting the stumps. Clearly impact in line, not much to argue there. Slightly unlucky, just clipping the wickets and they have to go.
It wasn't a great decision to start with. Not surprised to see the umpire's decision stand.
It's the sort of dismissal that sees the momentum swing back to the bowler. Gone, but not for many.
Yep.
Chance to run 2.
Christian gets off the mark.
Yep.
They'll get at least 1.
Exquisitely done on the front foot. A gorgeous looking drive. Could have been worth more.
Bowler is confident on this one.
Yep.
Nicked it. That's the over. The Sixers are 95 for 4. This will be the first over of the power play. This pair should be really trying to push the scoring rate along. Jewell to bowl the first over of the power play. It's going to be very tough to stop these two free-flowing batters.
A few moves made in the field.
Waiting.
Straight to the fielder.
Yep.
Onto the front foot and punched it nicely. Would have hoped to find the rope.
Hold on.
Hit that well off the back foot, but couldn't beat the field.
Yep.
Well placed. Should get a single.
Good running. It needed to be as well. Probably closer than they expected.
Edge. Amazing delivery.
Christian will be frustrated with that shot. The ball was there to hit, but couldn't find the gap.
Yes.
Good shot. It's found the gap.
Picked up 4 with a lovely shot off the front foot.
Wade, I don't think will be too happy with their bowler at the moment.
Good footwork behind the stumps, taking it cleanly. No interest, though, from the batter. The captain's going to change things around in the field.
Yep.
They'd look for a couple here. A couple on offer here.
Surprised they didn't go for a third. Would have been a very simple one.
Good bowling. Kept it nice and tight and made it hard to score runs. The right-arm medium bowler is coming on to bowl from the Randwick end.
Yes.
Too good. Not sure anyone is going to cut that off.
Found the gap with ease. Wasn't the worst ball you'll see, but it still raced to the rope. Misses out there on the short and wide one.
Brilliant bowling. Having got the edge the previous ball, they now know the areas they need to be hitting. Finds the fielder with that shot.
No runs on that occasion. Got into position nicely, just too early on the shot. Couldn't find a gap.
Yep.
I, for one, reckon that second run was on, but clearly the batters knew better.
Yes.
Too full, got what it deserved.
Onto the front foot early, placed it perfectly into the gap, timed it nicely for 4 more.
A little short on that occasion. Needs to adjust the length slightly to be just a little fuller. Too short on this pitch, and as we've seen already, it makes it very easy to score.
Christian shakes their head. He was there to be hit, but couldn't make the most of it.
Going with spin now.
Yep.
Nice shot, runs possible.
Yep. Yeah. Right.
Collects that one, simple as you like inside the ring.
Short and wide, did well to get some bat on that.
Right on.
Just threw the shot too early.
Hold on.
Just can't seem to get the ball away. That's the 3rd dot.
5 runs added in the over. The Sixers are 119 for 4. The right armour is coming on to bowl in the Randwick end.
Captain's going to change things around in the field.
Yep.
Great shot, at least one on offer. Huge shot. That's a massive shot. Just incredible.
That was just a massive shot. Middled it, and it flew over the boundary. Brilliant stuff. Some adjustments to the field.
Yeah.
Doesn't want to bowl it there. Overpitched and helped to the boundary.
That races away to the boundary. A beautiful shot off the front foot. Just textbook stuff.
Yeah. Oh.
Couldn't have hit that any better.
That was a boundary the moment the ball left the bat. Can't time that any better. Perfection.
A boundary off the last ball. Is it a sign they're trying to push the run rate?
Yes.
Great shot through the gap. Perfect timing.
What a lovely shot, and it flew to the boundary. That's clearly not the type of delivery to be bowling.
David doing really well to keep the pressure on these two. Another good over of bowling.
Yep.
Solid partnership, 50 so far. Now it's time to really build a big score.
Yeah.
Good batting, get an opportunity to score and take it.
Yes.
Great shot. Placement exquisite.
Got forward well and was able to drive the ball. A lovely shot and good running.
Yep.
That has gone very, very high. Might be safe.
Well, it was hammered away, timed perfectly and placed into the gap.
Getting nicely settled at the crease now. Would have been really happy with that last shot.
Yep.
Very quick out there, managing to stop it and preventing 4 runs.
A little flick of the wrist to get it round the corner for an easy run.
Yeah.
Got that away nicely.
Had all the time in the world to get in position to play that ball. Timed it nicely for 4 runs.
A brilliant over for the batting side. Not so for the bowlers. Going with pace now. Thompson from the Randwick end.
Yeah.
It mightn't get to the boundary, should at least get a couple.
Managed to get it fine and it trickled away to the boundary. Just waited on it nicely.
Yes.
Absolutely nailed it.
Top class innings, been playing very nicely out there, and that brings up the half century.
Wow, that's missed the lot.
A bit of frustration after that shot, went after it, but just couldn't lay a bat on it.
Yeah.
There'll be runs here. There'll be one run here for them.
Decisive running might have gotten two. Looking back. I'd say they'd have made it easily, so in the end, poor running.
Yes.
Really raced between the wickets after it was clipped away nicely behind square.
Misses everything.
Just need to settle down. The timing's off. These deliveries are there to be hit. Time for cool heads.
Ellis, the right armour, is coming into the attack from the Paddington end.
Well bowled, but that's another super shot. Onto the front foot, presented the full face of the bat. And got it into the gap and all the way to the rope. The captain making some adjustments to the field here.
Yeah.
Thrashed away, what a shot.
A fantastic shot there, onto the back foot quickly, rolled the wrist well and kept the shot down. Great batting.
Yes.
Big edge. Let's see if they can get the ball up into the slot like before. So crucial to follow up that last delivery and keep the batter under pressure. Ease through the field. There'll be runs here. Loud shout. Head over the ball, great shot, that's racing away.
Well, that's the 50. Blink and you'd miss it. There has been some really good batting strokes, just masterful play.
That's great fielding, that ball was flying. Oh my, that's racing away.
It was just a little bit too full and it was beautifully timed.
It can be very disheartening seeing good deliveries smacked around. Sometimes you just got to accept it and move on.
Yep.
Onto the front foot, super shot, should be four. I'd like to see them aim for the top of off now. As a bowler, you've got to make them play on your terms.
Yep.
Flew away with pace, brilliant timing.
You could see by how it whistled away to the boundary just how sweetly this was timed.
Don't mind getting hit for runs. What's important is to focus on getting the next ball right.
Exquisitely done on the front foot. A gorgeous looking drive. Could have been worth more.
End of the over. Over 15 runs coming from it. The Sixers are 196 for 4.
Hit that well off the back foot, but couldn't beat the field.
A wonderful delivery to get the edge. You've got to keep hammering away at that spot time and again. Beaten on the drive.
Maybe they didn't pick it up. Very late on the shot.
Time to keep the pressure on now. Great last ball to find the edge. It's just a case of finding the same spot. Huge edge!
Doing well to clamp down out there. 3 consecutive dots and the batters have lost any momentum they might have had.
Drives and misses everything.
That's wild. Nothing elegant about that shot. Just not timing it at all. It's poor play.
Cuts that off well in the infield.
Didn't hit that well. Very late playing that shot. Good running. It needed to be as well. Probably closer than they expected.
Content just to knock it around that over. 2 added to the total. The Sixers are 198 for 4. That's the end of our broadcast for now. Hope you enjoyed the game and join us again real soon